Open different file types: IFC, EDF, RVT, RFA, OBJ, DAE, 3ds, DXF, DWG, SKP, SVG, PDF. View and manage documents directly in usBIM browser. Browse the IFC model through its structure, documents and #BIM. Collaborate with other users and use the instant chat service to communicate. View the IFC properties of the selected entities. Manage visibility and create links to objects. View attached documents. Associate #BIM with model objects. Create a federation between models. Copy, delete or export the data. Receive notifications in real time. Create issue and markup. Customize how to navigate and view the IFC model.